We are here today to talk to you about one specific aspect, which is the steps being taken by the administration to facilitate and accelerate the process of issuance of domicile certificates. You are all aware that the government had notified the Jammu and Kashmir grant of domicile certificate procedure rules on the 18th of May in order to prescribe the procedure for issuance of domicile certificates. And you are also aware that as per the amendments in the Jammu and Kashmir Civil Services Decentralization and Recruitment Rules, a domicile certificate is now the basic eligibility condition for appointment to any post under the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. We had spoken to you and explained on many occasions in the past how these rules are simple, how they provide for a simple, clear-cut, time-bound procedure for the issuance of domicile certificate so that nobody is put to any inconvenience, and also how there are time limits, there are provisions for appellate authorities, and how the appellate authorities have both revisional and suo motu powers. We have also made provisions that applications for grant of domicile certificates can be submitted physically or electronically, and that there is an electronic provision and a portal for issuance of these certificates electronically as well. Erstwhile permanent resident certificate holders in whose favor the former PRC certificate had been issued by the competent authority before 31st of October 2019 are eligible for issuance of a domicile certificate on the strength of the PRC document alone, and no additional documentation is required. Similarly, for Kashmiri migrants, there is a simple procedure and they can get a domicile certificate either on production of a PRC or the certification of registration as a migrant. And we have also opened a special one-time window for all bona fide displaced persons who had migrated but who had not registered, and enabling them to register with pre-designated authorities for the purposes of issuance of domicile certificates. The government undertook a detailed review of the situation, particularly with regard to pending applications, time taken for issuance of applications, and on the 25th of August, it issued an SRO 263 further simplifying the process for erstwhile PRC holders, whereby the time for issuance of these certificates was reduced from 15 days to 5 days, and it was further ordered that for holders of permanent resident certificates, no additional inquiry would be required, and that a domicile certificate would be issued simply on the strength of the availability of a PRC certificate, thereby simplifying the process further. This has considerably accelerated the process of issuance of certificates to holders of PRC, which is the erstwhile permanent resident certificate, and the administration is open to further reducing the time so that all those in need of these domicile certificates can be provided the same with the minimum possible difficulty and in the fastest possible time. देखिए, पहले हमने 15 दिन का समय दिया था इशू करने के लिए, फिर जो मैंने आपसे अभी अर्ज की हमने SO 263 के तहत इस टाइम को घटा के 5 दिन कर दिया फॉर दोज हु आर होल्डर्स ऑफ अर्स्टवाइल PRC, एंड हमने यह भी कह दिया कि इफ समबडी होल्ड्स अ PRC सर्टिफिकेट देन नो फर्दर इंक्वायरी विल बी रिक्वायर्ड एंड ही विल बी इशूड द सर्टिफिकेट ओनली ऑन द strength of this certificate alone. So this time limit for these people is 5 days and no further inquiry is required. But as I said, if required, if people are still facing any inconvenience, we are open to further reducing them.